To discover new series, press Home. Swipe or press right and go down to find the top new series recommended for you. To find more new series, go to the TV Guide and swipe or press up. When you're in the TV Guide, press Fast Forward to skip forward 24 hours. Rewind to go back 24 hours. Or play to go back to what's on now. You can quickly move back through menus by pressing left on your Sky Q remote or swiping left on your Sky Q Touch remote. To go back to live full-screen TV from Sky Q menus, press Dismiss.